Hello friends, this is a short video on how to create Google form using add-on. Now there is one add-on that you can very easily uh, download, and with the help of this you can make or create Google form from Excel sheet. All the questions you can very easily transfer in your Google form within 2 minutes. Okay, but I'll tell you the trick how to use that. So for this we need to go to our Google account first. Now this is my Google account. I have opened Gmail. Now can you see these 9 small spots over here? These are Google apps. Click on this, and from here go to Google Docs. Now Google Docs will open, and then from here, from the left side, you can see main menu. From here we need to go to forms. So this is the Google Forms. From here choose a blank form. Okay, you can give a name to that form. For example, this is class 5 computer. You can change very easily, you can change, and everything will be saved in your drive. Same thing, when you click here, your form, untitled form, will have a name. Okay, you can give some description over here. Now because I don't have an add-on over here, I'll take an add-on. Okay, before that I'll type at least two things, because I need name of that the student. So I'll click on this plus option, add question, and I'll type name. This should be a short answer, and this required, because we want compulsory this questions to be answered by the student. Then the second question, again click on the plus option, and here I'll take class and section, where I'll add, you must be doing all this checkbox. I'll choose checkbox. I'll write, so here I have added A B C D F G H, all the sections are over here. Then coming to the add-on, then for add-on you need to go to this, can you see this more buttons? Click on this, and here come down, you have the add-ons option. Click on this add-ons, and here you can click and you can search for form builder. Okay, click on this form builder options. Here is the first one, is the form builder. Click on this and click on install options. Hardly it will take few seconds. Okay, you can click on continue option, and you have to give, I want for this account Kunal Sharma 15, so I'll click on this, and I need to give permissions for everything. So this, click on allow, and this is how I have taken the add-on. Okay, form builder has been installed. Now click on this close button, and now can you see over here, this add-on is ready for use. Now how to use this? Now you need to keep your sheet ready. Now because you have typed in Excel sheet, please copy all your questions in the sheet. So how you do that? Click on this, because we'll require a Google sheet. You cannot directly use from your Excel sheet. So click here and open sheets options in new tab. Okay, then click on this blank sheet, and my sheet is, now this is my blank sheet. I have already copied questions. I'll right click and I'll click on this paste option. So my all questions are over here. Okay, give some name to this. I'll give a name TT. Okay, and I'll add one more thing. I'll add Mars over here. Okay, and I'll give one mark to each questions because I'll require this. Click here, from the corner you drag it, and up to here I want one mark in each questions. Now how to use this? Please remember TT is the name and we are using sheet number 1. Okay, now again go to our Google form. Okay, now click on this add-on, go to form builder. You can use start option. Now this is my form builder ready. Now from where we want to import, so already I have copied in my Google Sheets, so I'll click on this import from Google Sheets. Your Google Sheet will open. Okay, now I given the name TT, so click on this TT option and select. Okay, then come down here, see the TT, you can see the name here. Choose the tab, so I'll choose sheet 1 because questions are in sheet 1. I'll click on quiz option. Then please remember this is the range. Now see the range up to here, I want up to here, so this is G16, so I want to cover up to G16. So here I'll type A1 to G16, so I want to cover all these things. Then my range includes header because here I have the header, this is the header, so I don't want to use these headers. So I'll click on the option here, range includes header. Then please give the questions at column, please write down somewhere and use questions are in A. Then you have to give only the star marked things. Okay, then give answer starts at C, answer ends column is F. Then come down further, here you will have the correct answer, so only use the star where you have the star, only you have to give. Correct answer is at B. Okay, these are the columns, actually these are the columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, then we have the marks here at G. Click on this G. Okay, and click on this no, click on this get options, and here you have all the questions available. Okay, come down further because the questions will come at bottom. Here please include required because I want all the questions to be as required. So click on this required options and now click on import selected. Then you'll get the message imported successfully. Minimize this, and here see in the bottom I have the questions and answers ready for me. Only one thing you need to add is click on this questions and please add the numbers of the questions 1 like this. Okay, give space, so please write down 1 2 3 4 for all the questions, and this is how, see already it is required. Answer key is also ready for you, this is the answer and here you have the answer. So this is how you can do. Now after this, please make this as a quiz. All of you know how to make quiz. And what about collaborator? So please click on this, and after making this form, click on this and you can go to this add collaborator option from here. Click here, and here one box will open. Here you need to type the collaborator. Okay, and click on done option. This will make your collaborator. So I hope you must have understood how to use this. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.